Dreamers, this is not financial advice. Now, I've been running the wheel strategy all year, but there's one downside to the wheel strategy is that it does cost a lot of money. Now, so far this year, I made around $46,103. December's not over yet. I actually need to update this, so it'll be close to around 46.4. So I had a pretty good year of collecting premium when I ran the wheel strategy. Now, the thing about the wheel strategy is that it does cost a lot of money in order to get started running the wheel strategy. At least on good quality companies, it does take a lot of money to start running the wheel strategy. And there's just a lot of people out there that want to get started and they mess up because they run the wheel strategy on companies that they don't want to own. So when they get assigned shares, they freak out. But let me show you guys another way that can help you grow a smaller account to eventually have enough money, if you do it the correct way, in order to run the wheel strategy on stocks that you do want to own. And the strategy that I'm going to show you guys in this video is called call credit spreads and put credit spreads. I'm going to show you a play that we did last week inside of the Patreon. It got us what, 6% in 2 weeks, so a little bit over 3% a week. And I'm going to show you how, if you continue to use your strategy, I'm going to show you guys the exact strategy in this video. So pull out your pens, papers, notepads. Just go ahead, hit that thumbs up button because that helps out this channel more than you can even imagine. And if you hit that notification bell, like for real, hit that notification bell. I don't know what to do, but if you can hit that notification bell after you hit subscribe, I really appreciate it. If you're already subscribed, hit that notification bell to help out a small content creator. So let me show you guys, because I'm going to give you guys a strategy in this video. So you can use it if you want to, you cannot use it if you want to. And I'm going to show you how it could generate you some extra income over time if you do it right. Now, this is trading. It is a lot more riskier because you are going to have to use a stop loss. When you're running the wheel strategy, you don't really need a stop loss because you're a long-term investor. But the call credit spreads, put credit spreads, bull credit spreads is what they call it. You are going to need a stop loss, but as long as you manage your trades correctly and do it, and learn how to read the market, then you can use the technical analysis on your side. So what we did was we did a call credit spread. Right now we're up 166%. So we're up $50 on the call credit spread. So that's going to be a little bit over so that's going to be around 6% that we made in 2 weeks. And let me show you guys exactly what we did. So here we are on TSLL. TSLL is a leverage of Tesla. They follow leverage, but it's a 2x leverage, but you will get a lot more premium if you do this on TSLL and NVDL, which is the two that we do it on inside of the Patreon. If you guys do want to join the Patreon, I'm gonna leave a link to that down in the comment section. I'll show you right quick. But so here we are. What we like to do inside of the Discord is wait until we see a stock that we like. We like to look at TSLL and NVDL. We wait until it's at the top of the Bollinger Bands, like right here, and also overvalued on the RSI. So what we did on Monday, this was on Monday, it was at the top of the Bollinger Band. So what we did was we sold a call credit spread. Let me show you guys how we do it. So you wouldn't do it right here when it's at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. It's at the middle of the RSI. We'll wait until it's oversold. But whenever we see it's at the top of the Bollinger Bands, I'm going to show you another example in this video. But whenever it's at the top of the Bollinger Bands, overvalued on the RSI, we're going to sell a call credit spread way out of the money, only looking to make around 3 to 6% every single a week, depending on 3 to 6% every single week. In this case, we did 3% a week. We went out 2 weeks because they were both short weeks. So we got around 6% in 2 weeks. So how you do it is that you're going to go to TSLL. You're going to hit trade options on Robinhood. It's pretty simple. You're going to scroll down and you're going to go to call credit spread. This is betting that a stock is not going to go above a certain stock price. Right now, I would not do it on TSLL. It's too late. That's why we're already in 150% profit. But all you would do, you hit call credit spread. You'll go out right now. We'll go out 2 weeks other than 1 week. So we'll go out 2 weeks and we'll scroll all the way up. Right now, TSLL is at $21.29. So we'll scroll all the way up to $23.40 right here. And this would give us $10 in premium. So it's a little bit too risky for me, but we come over here, hit 5, but that's a little still too close for me. So what I'm going to do is change the width to $1. So let's scroll all the way up to the 2671, this one right here, which would give us $8 in premium. So if we hit, so let's look at the 2627 one. So we scroll back over here, 2627 TSL, we'll have to go all the way 2627. We'll have to go all the way up to here in the next 2 weeks in order for us to lose this trade. So we come back over here. If we wanted to enter 5 of these, it would cost us $500, and our premium would give us $35 in premium. So $35 in premium, and it would cost us $500. That is 7% in 2 weeks. So if we was to do this, let's say we started off with a $500 account, because let's just say that's where we're starting off with, because a lot of people do not have a $5,000 account. That's why I would like to start off with, if I'm selling the wheel strategy, from $5,000 to $10,000. We're shooting for 3 to 6% a week. In this case, we made 7% in 2 weeks, so that's 14% a month. And let's say we're going to do this for 36 months. That's 3 years, and we're going to reinvest all of our dividends, and we're going to hit calculate now. Just starting off with $500. So of course I'll have $55,000 by the time after 3 years. I've started off with a $500 principal, and after the first 12 months, I'll be making $295 a month. And I have a total principal of $2,408, which is really good. It's not bad, but it's a good start. But if I'm making an extra $295 a month, I just gave myself a raise of $3,540 if I was to use this strategy every single week or every 2 weeks and found it inside the stock market. But let's just say I started off with $1,000. A lot of people could find $1,000 to start investing. You hit calculate now, you guys see that number now, so it's a big difference. But yes, now after the first year, I would have close to that $5,000 to start to run that wheel strategy. So I would spend a year doing call credit spreads, bull credit spreads. It'll probably take a little longer than a year, because you're not going to win every trade. You have to have your stop loss every now and then, but it'll take you a little longer than a year to bring in around $4,000. But if you was to do this for 2 years, now you'll be bringing in $2,000 every single year, and I'll have a account of $23,000. And if I was to do this for 3 years, I could be bringing in $13,000 per month, and I have an account balance of $100,000. And if I was to start off with $5,000, hit calculate now, because some people do want to sell cash. You can put this on Apple, Google, Amazon, and things like that. You'll get there. You'll have your $10,000 in 6 months if you start off with $5,000. So you'll double your money in 6 months. And after your first year, I have an account balance of $24,000 and bringing in around like $3,000 a month. So that's call credit spreads, bull credit spreads, if you do want to grow your account fast. Now, let me show you guys a play that could look lucrative over the next 2 weeks, and that would be NVDL. And they are going crazy right now. Right now, NVDL is at $91. I'll wait until they get back to the top of the Bollinger Bands right here. I know a bull run when I see a bull run, so I'm gonna let it ride. But once it get back to the top of the Bollinger Bands, I'll look to sell call credit spreads way out of the money. I'm talking about over 100. Right now it's at $91. I will sell it well over $100, looking to only make around 2 to 3% or 3 to 4% in a week in order to grow my account a little bit. So let me show you guys what that would look like. So we come over to NVDL. We're going to click that. We're going to hit trade options. Let's go to call credit spreads, and we're going to go out 2 weeks. And our width, let's change this to a $5 width. So I said that we will go way out of the money. Let's look at the 105 to 110, or we could look at the 110 to 105, but let's look at because it haven't updated yet. Yeah, it haven't updated. So we look at the 105 to 110. So we come back over here, 105 to 110. It would have to go all the way up to $105 within the next 2 weeks. So we come back over here and hit review. We'll put in one of these. It will cost us $500, and we can make $20 from this. That's around a 2% trade. $20 divided by 500. Yeah, no, that's a 4% trade in 2 weeks. Not bad. It's not the best. So here we are on NVDL. Let's look at the 110 to 115 right here, which is way out of the money. The bid ask is 35.45. So let's put it somewhere in the middle and put 25.25 right there, and we'll enter one of these. So we can make $25, and it will cost us $500 to enter this trade. And it would have to go way out of the money. What was that? A 110. So it would have to go way all the way up here in order for us to lose this trade. So it have to go way up there for us to lose this trade. We enter one of these, 0.25. So we make $25. It costs us $500. 25 divided by 500. So that's 5%. That's in 2 weeks. So we can make 5% in 2 weeks, which is not bad. It's not the 3 to 6% that we're looking up for, but in order to be safe, I will always go way out of the money, looking to make more 2 to 3%, 3 to 5% every single week. And that could help me grow my portfolio slowly over time. It's going to add up. I know it's not a lot, taking $500 and turning it into $525 in 2 weeks. But eventually, like I showed you guys, using the compound effect, if you're not able to run the wheel strategy, then you can use the cheaper alternative and do call credit spreads and put credit spreads, and that's what we've been doing inside of the Discord. Now that is a very simple breakdown. If you guys do want more detailed breakdown of it, you guys could join the Dream Team. Right now, it's gonna be half off until December 31st. I ain't gonna say what it's gonna be after that, but right now you could go in for half off. You have access to all my modules, a more detailed breakdown over the call credit spread, bull credit spread, put credit spread plays, the wheel strategy, modules, quizzes, courses, everything in there, and access to all my leap options, all my plays, all my wheel strategy plays every single time I post one, and be a part of a great community of investors that want to be financially free. So if this is something that you do want to check out, I'm gonna leave a link to the Patreon down in the pinned comment section, also down in the description if you guys want to check that out. And also you can scan this QR code right here if you guys want to check that out as well, if you're watching from a TV. But yeah, if you guys are taking 2026 seriously and want to start investing, and you only have a little bit of money and can't run the wheel strategy, and you're tired of day trading, losing all of your money, then the call credit spread, put credit spread method, going out a couple of weeks, going out a week or two to try to generate income that way until you're able to run the wheel strategy, this might be a good one for you. Let me know down in the comment section if any questions you have about this. I swear I don't get that many comments, so if you comment anything down there in the comment section, I promise you I'm going to answer them. But yeah, guys, other than that, if you made it to the end of this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. And for all the real ones out there, if you made it to the end of this video, comment down. Give me the loot down in the comment section. That's how I know if you made it to the end of this video. But other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you Dream Green Conversations. I'm out. Peace.
This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. All investments are by risk. Do your own research. This is not licensed financial advisor. Any third party considered false under the fair use commentary and analysis. Please consult with a licensed financial advisor or professional in your area before making investment decisions.